Good morning. It's time to leave. We're all packed up. Can you say hi, Grandma?
What's this? Oh, who? Oh, hi. Hi, bye.
Are you sad about leaving?
Well, this is life, you know. You
Mhm.
come, you go. I look like I have floppy dog ears.
So we're gonna stop at Exit Grill, and then we're trying to make as little stops as possible. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. Very unfortunate. Going back to 40-degree weather. I'm home. Got two things that won't leave my side. My baby Asher and my baby Birdie. Birdie. My baby Asher. We stopped at Cracker Barrel. I think it was 3 rest stops. We just got back. What time was it, Asher? 8 o'clock. It was 8:04 by the time my house was in sight. I had an amazing time. It's like 30 degrees here, which is not fun at all, but my family is here, and so that's what counts, right, Asher? You missed me. I love you. We're both sickos. We're both staying home from school tomorrow, even though I don't have school. And neither does Asher, actually, in service day. Alright, I hope you enjoyed going on my journey with me, in a sense, seeing my trip. Thank you for watching. I'll be back eventually. Love you. Bye. Bye, Milano.